Hello everybody, my name is Deepshroom, and today I'm going to be playing Animal Company with Evans Just Chill, and we're going to be trolling little kids in Animal Company. So, without a further ado, let's get this video started.
Hey Mason!
Deepshroom,
If you want to see something cool!
Oh
my god!
Oh, what happened to that dude?
Hey,
kid, catch! Oh, I forgot to light it! Ah, phooey! Catch! Where is he going? Where did that come from?
Right when it's supposed to go off. Silly goes for that. Where is he? I'm gonna go up. Where's that bomber?
Run.
I gotta go get that at all costs. Who's bombing? Where'd that go? Where's that going? Catch! Oh, shoot. Go! No! Deepshroom, get it right.
Juicy snack.
Okay. Why is there so many birthday candles? You know what?
I've just been looted. I haven't.
Happy birthday, Jimmy!
I've only killed one person.
Don't buy me a rocket. Don't buy me a rocket.
Chuck it! Watch out! Run!
Mason, go to this channel.
Who can I have to fight
Yeah,
Birthday present.
Okay, I think we're good.
What do I get in return?
Red watch.
I would have died.
Yellow knife.
No, it's not. Okay,
Shut up.
fine. Where's the perfect bacon from? No! Are you kidding me right now, bro? Yeah, good luck finding the rest of that stuff. Bro, just ignore the perfectly fine grapple.
Oopsies, I might have blown you up.
Somebody
might have blown you
Why? Why'd you blow me up?
No, it's all
Nah, that's mine!
I like my suitcase.
That thing's mine!
I have two.
No! Please! Thank you.
We like our greens. We like our greens.
I don't know where the grapple is.
I like my suitcase.
No, this little fatty.
Four little kids. Four little kids.
Let's see here. This is actually a perfect sniping spot. What? I'm getting bombed! I'm getting bombed!
I love bombs.
Little kids.
Magic
Little
trick.
kids. I'm coming to join you! Hi there!
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hi there, I am Deepshroom. Can I join you guys? I'll take that. It's turning as a yes. Okay, good. There's actually people that speak.
Yo, thanks, bro. Get you in your game.
Watch this, watch this.
I got monkeys.
Oh!
Dead.
Oh shoot, I missed. You guys got any ammo I can use?
Dude, you got
I'll
you.
be
I
right
got
back.
this, bro. I got this.
Guys, I got a bow. Do you need it? Someone dropped
I'll bet to that dude.
Stuff this onto me. Who stuffed this on me?
Go out there, little boy. Hey, someone drops this. Do you need it?
Hey, can I have that ammo, please? I'll give you a revolver.
Yo, there's
Ammo.
Appreciate it.
Hold on.
I love you. Do not attack me.
Okay, I'm here. Where's the children I can bomb?
Hey, yo,
Oh,
Blake.
really?
This is the channel.
What?
just started, so we're not
What
gonna be doing
this?
cuts. If I do anything cringy, I'm sorry.
Where are they?
It's in the big 2025, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Are you alive? Oh, I thought you were dead.
Mason, you're stinky, bro. That's not gonna do anything, bro.
You missed. I'm just What? Where are those dudes coming from? Oh, he's dead.
What's wrapped on the couch? It's a yellow. It's
What's
a
this?
yellow man.
Ooh.
Shroom me.
Never call me that again. Also,
You shroom.
they're gonna take on me. Oh, hey, too. Hey, what? We're chill, right? Oh, that's devious. Yes, I found a grenade. Perfect. Why? No, he was one of mine. He was one of my kind. How dare you?
Mason, you still have watch. Get him. Oh, he lost the
No.
Somebody put that on me. I'm not going out.
No, don't die, doggy.
Let me check.
You have nothing on you.
That's that.
Yo, let's get
Oh, let me get
No,
you.
that's mine. That's mine. Oh my gosh. Oh no, look what he did. He's not safe.
I want
It's over there.
Why do I keep on dying every few seconds? Okay, this kid doesn't know where it is.
Come on.
I think that's my cousin.
Just open her.
Yep.
No! Dang it, bro! No! That's the one wearing all three items. You're nothing, man.
Thank you. This
Hey, that's mine. Are you kidding me? Okay, buddy. Okay.
Mason!
No,
I mean,
I told you not to call me that.
You are a big man.
Shroomy. I'm calling you Shroomy because it's easy, bro. I'm not saying yeet Shroom.
Fine, show me you.
You're like a rip-off Scooby.
Yeah.
Yo, can
Okay,
you stop
buddy.
making fireworks? It's not the 4th of July.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
I'm sorry, Mason. I started the trend of calling you rip-off Scooby.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I pick you.
Do I smell a child with pink skin?
No! Help me! He's gonna kill me! Oh, this kid left. No.
What
I got
happened
nothing to worry about.
my grenade? Oh, it's right here.
I smell you. Watch out!
He missed.
I don't think
He
he was
doesn't
aiming
even
for
have
you.
any weapons.
I don't think he was aiming for
Watch
you.
out behind us. Watch out behind.
Hey, give me that. Give me that.
Thank you.
No.
You can tell when it's on a screen.
I'm looking at the
Also, while I'm here, I might as well mention that I will also be doing other road tag, geeks, anything you guys recommend. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and to do some more stuff. For more videos, and make sure to put in the comment section any other games that you might want to watch me play with.
Yeah.
This.
We're gonna go record another video.
Mason.
Anyways, see you soon. Okay.
Mason,
Ooh, I got money!
Video on. Mason, you wanna go record a video
Shut
on
it. No, I'm still here. No, I'm still here. I'm still here. No.
No, he's red one. No, on the animatronic.
Oh yeah. Because I can actually record now.
Mason, wait. We have to go out with the bang, bro.
Oh wait, with a bang? With a bang? Come here. With a bang? You mean? With a bang? Back up. I mean, with a bang? You want me to go? Well, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you next time.